Okay, there's Ellie's new computer build. Where did you say you downloaded that app?
I didn't download it yet.
Oh, you didn't download that app to change the colors?
No.
Oh, well, how did you get them to change colors?
By the button.
Oh, just by the button, so it's built in?
Yeah.
Oh. Where's the program built in here? Right in the fan?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. So what program is that you're going to download?
I don't know. There says there's an app for it in the caves.
Right. And you can get it to do what in that app?
To speed up the fans and
Oh, right.
turn them off, turn them on.
Right. And to get maybe different colors on each fan?
Yeah.
We'll do that too. Let's see. Let's go look here. I can see a reflection here either. There's the motherboard right there. I can see a reflection in your keyboard. There's his keyboard. All fancied up. Looks awesome.